Are your hands tingling for no reason? Maybe you wake up with pins and needles or your grip feels weaker? Do your legs feel heavy or shaky when you stand or walk? These aren't just signs of aging, they're warning signals. For many over 60, these symptoms point to a hidden collagen deficiency affecting nerves, muscles, and joints. The good news? You can fight back, starting with collagen-rich fruits. In this video, I'll reveal 8 powerful fruits that help rebuild collagen, reduce pain, and restore your strength. Stick around. Number 6 is a fruit most seniors avoid, but it could be exactly what your body needs. First up is kiwi, a true vitamin C powerhouse that deserves a spot in your morning routine. This small, fuzzy fruit is often overlooked, but it's actually one of the richest sources of vitamin C you can find in the produce aisle. Just one medium-sized kiwi can provide well over your daily requirement of this essential nutrient, making it a simple and delicious way to start your day on a healthy note. Vitamin C is crucial for your body's natural collagen production, which keeps your skin, joints, and blood vessels strong and resilient. It also plays a vital role in protecting your nerves, helping to maintain the protective sheath that surrounds them. Without enough vitamin C, this sheath can break down, leading to uncomfortable symptoms like tingling, numbness, and even weakness in your hands and feet. If you've ever felt pins and needles or a strange numbness in your fingers or toes, a lack of vitamin C could be part of the reason. Over time, this deficiency can make everyday activities more difficult and uncomfortable. That's why adding vitamin C-rich foods like kiwi to your breakfast can make a real difference in how you feel throughout the day. But kiwi offers more than just vitamin C. It's packed with powerful antioxidants that help fight inflammation in your body. This means less swelling and discomfort in your legs and joints, and a lighter, more energetic feeling as you move through your morning. The anti-inflammatory benefits can be especially helpful if you wake up feeling stiff or achy. Starting your day with 1 or 2 kiwis is easy. Just slice and scoop, or add them to a bowl with other fruits for a refreshing breakfast. Their sweet tart flavor pairs well with yogurt, oatmeal, or even on their own as a quick snack. Plus, they're portable, so you can take them on the go if you're in a hurry. Kiwi is also a great source of dietary fiber, which supports gut health by feeding the good bacteria in your digestive system. A healthy gut means better absorption of nutrients, less bloating, and reduced inflammation throughout your body. This can help you feel more comfortable and energized all day long. Don't let its size fool you. This small fruit packs a big punch for nerve health, energy, and overall well-being. Adding kiwi to your morning routine is a simple step that can have lasting benefits for your body and mind. Make kiwi a daily habit and you'll notice lighter, stronger limbs, more energy, and fewer aches as you go about your day. It's a natural, tasty way to support your health from the inside out. Don't underestimate the power of kiwi. This delicious fruit is a simple, effective, and enjoyable way to fight tingling, weakness, and inflammation. Give your body the boost it needs and savor every bite. Next, let's talk about papaya, a vibrant tropical fruit that's not only delicious but also packed with powerful health benefits. At the heart of papaya's healing properties is an enzyme called papain, which has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. Papain works by breaking down inflammatory proteins in the body, which can help reduce swelling, ease joint pain, and promote overall comfort, especially for those dealing with arthritis or chronic inflammation. But papaya's benefits don't stop there. This fruit is also a gentle aid for your digestive system. Papain helps your body break down proteins in food, making it easier to absorb the essential nutrients needed for collagen production and tissue repair. As we age, our digestion naturally slows down, which can make it harder to get the nutrients we need. Papaya's natural enzymes help counteract this, making vitamins and minerals more accessible to your body and supporting your overall vitality. When your digestion improves, your body has more of the building blocks it needs for healthy collagen, stronger joints, and less inflammation. This means you can move more freely and feel more energetic throughout the day. Papaya is incredibly versatile. Enjoy it as a snack, blend it into smoothies, or add it to salads. Its soft, juicy texture is especially gentle on sensitive stomachs, making it a great choice for seniors or anyone with digestive concerns. The key to unlocking papaya's full benefits is consistency. By making papaya a regular part of your diet, you can support your gut health, soothe aching limbs, and help your body recover from daily wear and tear. A healthy gut is the foundation for less inflammation, stronger joints, and a more resilient body. When your digestive system is happy, your whole body feels the difference. Remember, everything starts with digestion. By nourishing your gut with papaya, you're helping your body heal and thrive from the inside out, every single day. So add papaya to your daily routine for lasting relief, better digestion, and a happier, healthier you. When it comes to natural remedies for leg fatigue and aching joints, guava stands out as a true superstar. This vibrant tropical fruit is not only delicious, but it's also a powerhouse of nutrients that specifically target joint health and muscle recovery. Guava is loaded with vitamin C, a nutrient essential for collagen production, which is the protein that keeps your joints, tendons, and ligaments strong and flexible. In fact, guava contains 4 times more vitamin C than oranges, making it one of the richest sources you can find. This high vitamin C content helps jumpstart the repair of worn-out cartilage and connective tissue, which is especially important as we age or if we're active and put extra stress on our joints. But that's not all. Guava is also rich in lysine, an essential amino acid that works hand in hand with vitamin C. Lysine acts as a building block, helping to strengthen and stabilize collagen fibers, making them more resilient to daily wear and tear. This means your joints are better protected against injury and strain. The powerful combination of vitamin C and lysine in guava can help reduce joint pain, improve flexibility, and boost your overall stability. Imagine walking upstairs or taking a stroll in the park with renewed confidence and less discomfort. Lysine also plays a crucial role in supporting healthy blood vessels, which improves circulation throughout your legs. Better blood flow means more oxygen and nutrients reach your muscles, helping to fight off that heavy, tired feeling in your legs after a long day or a workout. Think of vitamin C as the bricks and lysine as the mortar that holds your body's structure together. Without both, your foundation weakens, but with guava, you're giving your body the tools it needs to rebuild and stay strong. For the best results, eat guava raw, skin and all, since the skin is packed with extra fiber and antioxidants that further support joint and muscle health. Or, blend guava into smoothies for a refreshing, nutrient-dense boost that's perfect for breakfast or a post-exercise snack. Its unique, sweet tart flavor makes guava a delicious and versatile addition to your daily diet, whether you enjoy it on its own or mixed with other fruits. By making guava a regular part of your routine, you're prioritizing your joint health and giving your body a natural way to rebuild its foundation, banishing tired, achy legs for good. It's a simple, delicious step towards stronger joints, better mobility, and a more active, pain-free life. Number 4 is berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries. Their secret weapon? Anthocyanins, antioxidants that strengthen blood vessels and improve circulation. Poor circulation causes tingling and numbness. Berries help restore blood flow to nerve endings. They also provide vitamin C for collagen support, making vessels more resilient. Improved circulation means lighter, more energetic legs and less nerve discomfort. Mix different berries daily for a spectrum of benefits. Add them to oatmeal, smoothies, or enjoy as a snack. Berries deliver a powerful 1-2 punch for your nerves and muscles. Eat a rainbow of berries for maximum effect. Small fruits, big results. At number 5, pomegranate stands out for joint and circulation health. Its polyphenols, especially punicalagin, protect cartilage by blocking enzymes that break it down. This slows joint wear and eases pain, helping you move more freely. Pomegranate also boosts nitric oxide, relaxing blood vessels for better circulation. More oxygen and nutrients reach your muscles and nerves, reducing fatigue and tingling. Drink pure pomegranate juice or eat the arils for a concentrated dose. Add arils to salads or yogurt for flavor and crunch. Pomegranate supports both your joints and your blood flow. Make it a regular habit for long-term joint and circulatory health. It's a delicious investment in your mobility. Number 6 is the often misunderstood tomato. Despite myths, tomatoes don't cause inflammation for most people. They protect your collagen. Lycopene, the red pigment, shields collagen from breakdown by blocking destructive enzymes. Protecting existing collagen is vital as we age, keeping skin, joints, and vessels strong. Cooked tomatoes offer even more lycopene. Think sauces, soups, and stews. Don't avoid tomatoes unless you have a true sensitivity. Embrace them for their collagen-protecting power. Add tomato sauce to meals or enjoy a bowl of tomato soup. Tomatoes are a versatile, affordable way to keep your body's structure youthful. Give your collagen the protection it deserves. Number 7 is avocado, famous for its healthy fats, vitamin E, and glutathione. These fats lubricate joints, acting like oil for smooth, pain-free movement. Avocado's vitamin E reduces inflammation, easing muscle soreness and joint pain. Glutathione, the master antioxidant, helps muscles recover and repair. Stronger, more flexible muscles and joints mean better mobility and less weakness. Add avocado to salads, toast, or smoothies for a creamy boost. Its fats also help you absorb other nutrients, enhancing overall benefits. Don't fear the fat, your joints and muscles need it. Avocado is a delicious way to support strength and flexibility. Make it a staple for lasting joint comfort. Last, citrus fruits like oranges, grapefruits, lemons, and limes offer more than vitamin C. Their high water content hydrates muscles and nerves, preventing cramps and tingling. Citrus electrolytes like potassium help your body use water efficiently. Flavonoids in citrus support liver detox, clearing out inflammation-causing waste. A healthy liver means less fatigue and lighter limbs. Vitamin C and flavonoids together protect blood vessels and boost circulation. Start your day with lemon water or enjoy citrus as a snack. Hydration, detox, and antioxidants. Citrus delivers all three. Add these fruits to your daily routine for foundational support. They're the perfect finish to your collagen-boosting plan. There you have it, 8 natural ways to fight tingling, weakness, and pain after 60. These symptoms aren't just aging, they're your body's call for collagen and nutrients. Skip the pills, reach for the right fruits instead. Swap chips for guava, kiwi, or berries and feel the difference. Consistent fruit choices mean stronger joints, steadier hands, and lighter legs. You have the power to reclaim your vitality, one bite at a time. Comment below with your favorite fruit and subscribe for more real health tips. Thanks for watching. Here's to your strength and mobility.